Hi, I'm Sheila Smith. Today we're going to talk about two different Belle Tress wigs that are the same shade. They are both caramel blonde rooted and they're both beautiful. So the first one that we're going to talk about is Aberdeen. I've already done a little review on Aberdeen, and this is Aberdeen. She's the long layered razor cut kind of shag style, and this is caramel blonde rooted. She has a left monofilament part and the same cap as the next wig that I'm going to show you. So let me just show you Brooklyn. This is Brooklyn. Look at these beautiful curls. Now I have to say that I've worn both of these wigs not very much. I've worn Aberdeen out maybe a couple of times for a couple of hours, but very minimally. The same with Brooklyn. This is the way she came out of the box, and I love it. It's beautiful. I will put the links in the description box, and I will probably also post them on the screen somewhere, like right there. Anyway, let's talk about the cap. She has a lace front and a left monofilament, so you can part on the left, and probably pretty close to the center also. And if you needed to get further over, I know I like to part mine on top of my pupil, which I didn't do to this one, but look how good that part looks. You can part both ways or right down the middle, but it is the left part, and the full wefted cap and the Velcro adjusters. I'm not gonna do that. And the metal stays on the ear tabs. They have metal in them, so you can bend them towards your head and make it feel more snug if you'd like. But that is the cap. These both have City Collection caps, and I'm going to show what Brooklyn looks like on my head. Hang on. Okay, this is Brooklyn. I think she's beautiful. This reminds me so much of the days when I was out and about and selling television advertising. This reminds me of my hair. It's a little more red, but it's really beautiful. I will put the links of the layers, because it is definitely layered, in the description box. And it's got some shorter curtain bang type things, and I really like the side swept bangs. For me, that's my jam. I love it. There are a few little wispies. There we go. But look at this lace front. Actually, I can't see it really well, so I hope it looks good. My husband and I have a date tonight. It's this girl right here. Okay, here is the back. So, this is Brooklyn, and she is beautiful. I hope you like and subscribe and find information in my videos. I would love to help any way I can. So if you have comments, please put them in the comments so that I can respond and help. And thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for supporting. Bye.